When we were first approached about this project, I had some misgivings because, you think about libraries and are they going the way of old computers? Are they really being used? And not being on the campus for so many years, I wasn't sure how well used the library was. Dean Getch took us on a tour and showed us the plans of the concept of the new facility. And I was just really amazed at the thoughtfulness that had gone into bringing this into a new generation of learning and how it could still be very vital to the university. So I was real impressed, and that was what kind of got me interested in the project.
I remember the library of the old stacks.
Yes.
And you would go to the library, but it was a real pain, to get in there and find it, and there was no place to work. Coming through the library now and seeing where it is today, and then what this will be when it's done, it's a totally different environment. I've been told that as many as 30,000 students a week use the library. That's almost incomprehensible to me, how compared to my recollection of the library. But it makes sense, and we want to support that.
It will elevate the experience by bringing new opportunities for the library, not only for students with new technology and new rooms. It will be a meeting place as well as a learning place, and that's a double win.
This project is a project of reasonable size. It's been well designed. With the contribution that we've made, we are well on our way to realizing it, and your gift will help us get there fast. So I ask you to think about joining us, help us make this a place of study and collaboration and technology for the university for the 21st century.